We sought out 5 students and inquired as to what precisely pop culture is to them, if they are familiar with it, and what impact it has on them or others around them. And they responded with these.
Question po para po sa subject namin pop culture. Can you share an example of a recent pop culture trend that caught on your attention?
Well, one of the example of pop culture that caught my attention, one of the example is that about music in music industry. We all know that music industry before is impactful, tas meaningful. So nakuha yung mga attention natin. But right now, we all know naman that music generation ngayon ay parang wala ng kwenta para sa atin. Hindi na makabuluhan dahil yung mga lyrics na yun hindi na impactful kumbaga para sa atin. Kumbaga medyo nakakabastos na. So hindi na ako mag-mention kung ano mga kanta yun. We all know na naman na kung ano yun kasi trend siya ngayon. So yun lang yung example na nakakapag sa akin ng attention. Kumuha ng attention ko yung it's all about music generation, music industry na kung saan hindi na inuugali ng mga music creator na kung ano nga ba talagang kahulugan ng music sa atin. Yun lang.
Thank you. Our question is, how would you define a pop culture and what would you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
Well, for me, I would define pop culture as cultural activities, practices, and beliefs of the masses, which are often targeted at youth. So it's within our society or community, and then pop culture would be often through mass media such as television, radio, or what we have now is the internet. So, yeah, that's all.
Thank you po.
Sa tingin ko po may mga pagkakaibang reaction ng mga iba't ibang generation pagdating sa popular culture kasi yung mga older generations mas nahihirapan silang mag-adapt sa mga newest trends of today kasi nga medyo na-alienate sila sa pop culture nang nasa ngayon na era or time. Dahil hindi yun yung nakasanayan nilang kultura. Ika nga. So yun na po yung answer.
In your opinion, how pop culture reflects societal values or does it shape them? How?
Okay po. In my opinion po, based on our in our modern world today po, like the videos on TikTok, ano pa yun, mga cultural dances po, like folk dances. For me po, it affects our societal values po kasi it influence every generation, like the students po kasi every one of us, kung ano yung uso, yun din yung sinusunod nila. That's all.
How would you define a pop culture and what do you think are its most noticeable characteristics?
I think pop culture for me is something that really caught our attention and it can be through social media or mass media po. And this pop culture what makes it on trend. Yun lang.
Our group consists of 7 members.